ready to open a package from SHEIN. I honestly do not remember what I ordered, so bear with me. Okay, I'm excited because number one, it's midnight or after midnight, I don't even know. I just came from a bar and I was with my girls. We had some fun together, but yeah, you can imagine I feel good. Just know that I'm not lit, to be honest, but I feel good. So that being said, oh yeah, it's that time, baby. I'm gonna take everything out. Oh my gosh, I ordered so much stuff, and I even got a box right there, like on the ground. I got so much stuff. It's not even funny. This is how big it is. Yeah, I'm actually planning on getting a coffee maker in here. I already have a coffee maker, but I want to have like a station, a cute little station, like, you know, like a creamer and like the syrups and sugar, or like brown sugar. I really don't care for sugar, so it will be honey and brown sugar. I like brown sugar. What else? Just some cute fun stuff like mats, coffee mats and stuff like that, you know. So y'all wait. I can't wait to show y'all because I'm just like so excited. I got so much stuff, from jewelry to coffee stuff. Bear with me, okay? Because I buy so much stuff from off of SHEIN. All right, so what do we have? What the hell is this? What is this? What did I buy? But oh, this is for the coffee. I'm so happy I got this. This is perfect because I have ground coffee, and I was just like, oh my gosh, like, how I'm gonna make coffee with a Keurig? This is how. Stop playing. This is how, honey. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. You know what? No, I'm gonna be in order. So I'm gonna show you guys all the coffee stuff first. Yeah. This is so nice. I love it. Look at it. Yeah. And I was just talking to you guys about the coffee mats. This is my coffee mat. Look at it. It's so pretty. I love it. I love it, honey. Oh, it's so fun when you get your package and you forget what it is that you got. I swear it's so fun because it's like, damn, what did I get? It's like opening a gift on Christmas. You know what I mean? So, yeah. Let's see what this is. I'm so scared, y'all. What is this? Why does this look like this? Like, I ain't just ordering anything. Nah, what is this, bro? Oh, okay. Y'all just had me scared. I was like, am I getting to a point where I don't care what I'm ordering? Like, okay, so this is what I got. This is for your glasses. I finally got it. Oh my gosh. I love it because I have a lot of glasses. I'm a glasses collector. I love glasses. So yeah. I got my, wait a minute. Let me open this coffee mug. Because I don't remember what color I got. I ain't even gonna lie. Let's see what color I got, y'all. Let's see. I never disappoint myself. I'm a black type of girl, obviously. You can see, you can tell. I love black. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Look at it. Look at it. Let's look at the inside. Oh wait, let's look at the top. It's like a snap. That's the inside. What else do we have that I want to show you guys? I'm sorry, I'm goofy, y'all. Oh my gosh. Y'all. Oh, I hate that new smell. Like where it's like a fishy smell. Oh my gosh, I freaking hate it. Freaking hate it. Hold on, y'all. I need to lotion my freaking hands. Yeah. I probably turned everybody off with that look. I don't give a damn. All right, so, oh, smells new. But this shit that it came in, yeah, it smells a little fishy. But this smells new. Damn, I didn't think it was gonna come this small. I ain't even gonna lie. Damn, why it come this small? Like, I thought it was gonna be bigger, but it's cute though still. I don't care. But y'all, tote. I got a tote bag, y'all. That says tote bag. You ain't never seen no girl rocking it like me. Yeah. Yeah. It's cute though. I like it. I like it. I like it. Yeah. So, what are we gonna open next? Let's open this next. I don't even know what this is. More coffee stuff. Yeah. Okay, so y'all ain't seen that. Okay, so we got the spoons. See, it's so cute and little. Oh my gosh, and fork comes in it. I love it. SHEIN, like, you guys are the best. Like, I swear. Wireless milk frother. Yes, this is what I wanted. We actually have some, but I don't think we don't have that. But we do have this one, but we don't have this one. That's the reason why I bought this one, because it came with two for a great price. I do not remember how much, but I'm gonna definitely put it in the link below for sure. So I gotta show you guys this one. It's like a rack for clothes. I got these cute hangers. Look how cute it is. Look how small and cute it is. Stop playing. Like, this is perfect. I love it. I honestly swear on everything, like, is this like my wheel stuff? Is this the wheels for my car? These are my car stuff. Okay, y'all, so I got those hangers. This, honestly, I think this is for my car steering wheel. And I figured what this was out before even looking it up, because I didn't even look it up yet. I was going to, because I was so confused on what this is. And now I know what it is. It's basically just where you put your makeup. And you know, you put your thumb through here. You can squeeze your liquid foundation on here and just use it from off of here and clean it up when you're done. You know, something cute, something simple. Like, I love the hole for your thumb to go through. Y'all ain't seen that? For your thumb to go through, like I'll say it. Okay, all right. These, I bought two, but this is basically for like the eyebrows. So I am not an expert at this at all. Okay, yeah, I'm still learning. This is also, oh, I forgot, I got these hangers as well, and I think it's so cute, just like the white ones. I think it's so cute. I really like it. Then I bought some lashes. I really don't know how to do, but they're cute though. I'm gonna try them out, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, these are some cute lashes. These are really cute. Like, I don't know if y'all can see how long it is. Oh, it's so pretty. All right, so these earrings that I got, I think it's so dope. You're not gonna tell me that this is not cute, because it is. It's so freaking pretty. All right, that's one. All right.